Every giant marine engine begins with high-grade iron ore. Thousands of tons of raw material are extracted every day. The journey toward heavy engineering has begun. Crushing prepares the ore for steel production. Automated conveyors keep production moving without interruption. Large reserves ensure continuous steel production. Automated reclaimers feed the steel plant around the clock. Extreme heat transforms raw materials into molten iron. Molten iron becomes the foundation of every marine engine. Refining removes impurities and strengthens the metal. Special alloys provide exceptional durability. The steel takes its first solid form. Controlled cooling preserves the steel's strength. Every billet is inspected before manufacturing. Perfect surfaces are essential for precision forging. Prepared steel awaits the next stage. Automation moves massive components with remarkable precision. Now the steel begins its transformation into one of the world's largest marine engines. Extreme pressure shapes the foundation of the engine. Multiple forging stages maximize strength and durability. Controlled reheating keeps the steel ready for precision shaping. Precision forging gives the crankshaft its final strength. Controlled cooling prevents internal stress. Surface cleaning prepares the steel for machining. Hidden defects are detected before machining. Advanced CNC machines begin precision machining. Rough turning creates the engine's basic geometry. Critical journals are machined with extreme precision. Every surface meets exact engineering standards. Laser inspection verifies every dimension. Internal oil passages are machined with precision. Smooth finishes improve long-term reliability. Every component is thoroughly cleaned. Final inspection confirms engineering perfection. The finished crankshaft moves to final assembly. The heart of the marine engine is finally ready for assembly. Assembly begins with the massive engine block. The heart of the engine is carefully installed. Precision bearings support immense rotating forces. Each piston weighs several tons. Connecting rods transfer power to the crankshaft. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications. Massive cylinder liners ensure long-lasting durability. Each cylinder head is positioned with millimeter precision. Precision fuel systems maximize engine efficiency. Huge turbochargers deliver enormous airflow. The exhaust system is built for continuous operation. Cooling and lubrication protect every moving component. The camshaft precisely controls every valve. Perfect timing keeps every component synchronized. Every valve is assembled with extreme precision. The massive flywheel stabilizes engine rotation. The engine completes its first controlled rotation. The completed engine is now ready for final testing. The completed engine enters final performance testing. Support systems prepare the engine for operation. Hundreds of sensors monitor every system. The engine comes to life for the first time. Full load testing verifies maximum performance. Engineers verify every performance parameter. Final inspection confirms every detail meets the highest engineering standards. The completed engine receives its final certification. The massive engine is thoroughly cleaned before its protective coating is applied. Every giant engine undergoes one final inspection before leaving the factory. Thousands of quality checks certify every critical component. Heavy-duty protection keeps the engine safe during transport. Specialized transport systems handle extraordinary weight. The completed engine begins its journey to the shipyard.
Moving an engine this size requires extraordinary logistics.
At the port, the engine is prepared for ocean transport. Precision lifting protects every critical component. The giant engine begins its voyage across the ocean. Its final destination is one of the world's largest shipyards. The massive engine is installed deep inside the vessel. Every system is approved before entering service. The engine comes to life, exactly as designed. Now it's ready to power global shipping for decades. From raw steel to a machine weighing thousands of tons. Every stage demanded precision, power, and world-class engineering. This is how the world's largest marine engines are built. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more inside the world's greatest factories.